Here's how to fix verification code not received. Now, if you're trying to get a verification code, maybe it's from Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, whatever it may be, and they're sending you a code through text message, but you're just not getting it. There are a few different steps that you can go through to definitely get that code texted to you so that you can log into your account. Now, the first and easiest thing we're going to do is just swipe down from the top right. We're going to toggle on airplane mode. This will disconnect you from your cell network, and we're going to turn that back off, and it will reconnect to your cell network. Sometimes you just have spotty signal, bad signal wherever you are, so just swipe on airplane mode and then swipe it back off. Now, the next thing we're going to do is hop into our settings, and we're just going to scroll down until we get to messages. There are a few different things we can do on here as well. So under iMessage, I'm going to toggle that off and then toggle it back on. And you can see waiting for activation. This kind of resets your iMessage to be able to receive any kind of text messages. Maybe there's a bug in it. Just by going through this process, a lot of times that fixes any kind of codes or text not coming through. Now let's go down, and similar to these send as SMS, I'm going to toggle that off and then toggle it back on just to make sure that my iPhone can receive any SMS text messages. A lot of times when they're texting codes to you, it is through SMS and not iMessage. Now, again, we'll scroll down and you can see this filter unknown senders. If that is turned on, you're just going to want to make sure you turn that off. Basically, turning that on will prevent you from getting those normal text messages, those codes in your normal messages section. It'll filter them and put them in somewhere else that you just might not be able to see them. Now, the last thing you can do on this specific screen is go into your blocked contacts. What you're going to look on here for is the specific number that a lot of times that service uses to text the code. Now, if you want to look for the specific number, you can always hop out of here and open up a website here, Safari, Chrome, whatever. And I just typed in, what number does Instagram send a text from? So whatever you're trying to do, it might be Instagram, Facebook, it doesn't matter. But you can see what number does Instagram use to text a verification code. I can tap on this Reddit link. And you can see right when this loads, the number is 32665. So basically, we're going to go back into our block contacts. Let's go over here, and we're just going to swipe through this entire list. You can see I have a long list to look for that number 32665. Make sure you haven't blocked that number because, of course, if you blocked it, they can't send you that code. So go through this step, and if you do find that number on there, just swipe to left and hit unblock on that specific number. Now, the last thing that you can do is hop out of here and swipe down from the top right. And if you have any kind of do not disturb turned on, I recommend turning it off because potentially you are getting text that code, but it's just not coming through or not notifying you because you have do not disturb turned on, and that's limiting any kind of notifications of text coming through to your specific phone. So go through all of these steps and you should be able to get any kind of text message, SMS code texted right to your phone. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.